Hi, my name is Jason Buffington. I'm the Senior Analyst at ESG that covers data protection. Over the next few minutes, I'll be summarizing the results from our recently completed ESG Lab validation on Quantum's DXi6800 disk-based appliance series, with an emphasis on ESG Lab's investigation of Quantum's data protection, disaster recovery, and pay-as-you-grow scalability claims for mid-range and enterprise organizations. ESG Lab examined performance, data availability, scalability, security, and encryption capabilities of DXi6800 in combination with Quantum's data protection portfolio. Additional testing included multi-site backup and disaster recovery solutions using Scalar tape libraries, and Q-Cloud services, and integration with ISV offerings from Symantec's NetBackup, OST, and AIR. As IT increases its use of server and desktop virtualization and transitions to the cloud and IT as a service, critical data becomes more distributed and the amount of data being managed is exploding. All these factors increase the need for solid business continuity and disaster recovery systems. The DXi6800 series is the latest member of Quantum's data protection family, which is designed to provide simple and cost-effective protection for mid-range and enterprise sites, even bringing small and remote sites into the same data protection strategy. ESG Lab tested the DXi6800 in a simulated data center that included 8 NetBackup media servers that were backing up multi-terabyte datasets to a Quantum DXi6800 appliance with an 8 gigabit fiber channel SAN connection. The DXi6800 was tested in an entry-level 13 terabyte configuration and a fully populated 156 terabyte configuration with both the default 4 fiber channel connections and again with 6 connections. Here's a summary of the performance of full backups using Symantec NetBackup, first in the 13 terabyte configuration that was licensed on the DXi6800. Note that the system achieved nearly 11.9 terabytes per hour. To achieve that performance, the DXi6800 series utilizes all the drives in the system through its dynamic disk pool technology as part of Quantum's StoreNext file system. Essentially, the DXi6800 storage, which is based on NetApp E-Series storage, spreads data and spare capacity across all available drives in the shelf. Next, ESG upgraded the capacity of the system by simply applying a new license key and rebooting the system. As soon as the DXi6800 was back online, the new capacity was usable. The ESG Lab engineers then cleared the system and ran the backups again with the full 156 terabytes enabled, and again achieved nearly 11.9 terabytes per hour. This shows that Quantum has taken performance out of the sizing equation for administrators. Whether running the 12 spindles and 13 terabytes of user capacity or 72 spindles and 156 terabytes of user capacity, the VTL performance was consistent. In fact, when fiber channel ports 5 and 6 were converted to target mode and used for backup, throughput actually increased up to 14 terabytes per hour. Pay-as-you-grow scalability is designed to provide simple, predictable, and easy-to-install storage capacity that allows users to increase the capacity of DXi in 13 terabyte increments by simply unlocking capacity through the additional licensing key, no additional on-site installation being required. This approach allows users to avoid over-provisioning their storage and purchasing more capacity than they need. Each expansion shelf contains 26 terabytes of usable capacity with a maximum of 6 expansion shelves for a total of 156 terabytes of usable capacity. That means over 3 petabytes of deduplicated logical capacity would be available within only a 14U rack of space. Quantum designed the DXi6800 series to be secure, flexible, and cloud-ready from a deduplication displaced platform solution. The solution boasts a hardware-based data-at-rest encryption with self-encrypting drives, data-in-transit encryption, and an integrated key management solution, as well as the ability to initiate a secure shred operation, which ESG tested. Quantum uses a tiered approach to architect their data solutions, which allows organizations to keep data for longer periods of time by using the right combination of technologies and media platforms to match data value over time with the cost of the storage that the data resides on. In addition, ESG Lab tested Quantum Vision software, which provides infrastructure management, analytics, and reporting, tying the global environment together in a single management experience. Encryption for data in flight and at rest, along with secure file shred, enables organizations to satisfy stringent data security requirements. And seamless integration with Symantec NetBackup AIR provides enterprise-level disaster recovery, while Q-Cloud Backup and DR as a service provides the option of a subscription-based model for deploying and leveraging deduplication for backup and DR, and providing that business-class cloud backup solution in general. Data growth continues to be a significant challenge for IT departments. With flat or declining budgets, being able to store more data while minimizing costs is essential. According to ESG research, the majority of organizations report annual data growth between 11 and 30%. As a result, managed data growth, information security, and data backup and recovery are consistently top 10 priorities. ESG Lab looked at the effective performance of the DXi6800 and found the sustained throughput was not dependent on the amount of storage in the system, which enables customers to retain more data for reliable restores and for longer retention periods while minimizing impact on the backups. The DXi6800 series has a variety of capacity configurations that allows for performance across a wide variety of SLAs without the need for performance tuning or planning. And Quantum's interior architecture ensures the data resides in the storage that matches its value for the business. ESG Lab validated the DXi6800 is Quantum's highest performing disk backup and deduplication solution, and that it achieves this feat in both entry-level and fully configured capacities. The DXi6800 is yet another piece of Quantum's overall data protection infrastructure architecture that provides protection for physical, virtual, and cloud-based solutions. If you'd like to learn more, you can download the full ESG Lab validation report from Quantum's website.